together. Surprise! It's a baby panda. Hello, friends. I'm a baby panda. Can you say panda? Fantastic! Look, another magical egg. Hello, everyone. I'm the baby lion. Can you roar like a little lion? Great job! Wow, a blue magical egg. Hello, friends. I'm the baby elephant. Watch my magical rainbow splash. Woo! Look, who's so tall? I'm the baby giraffe. I can reach the tallest leaves. Can you stretch up high like a giraffe? Stretch? Great job! Wow, who loves climbing trees? I'm baby koala. Let's climb together. Can you pretend to climb? Wonderful! Wow, it's cold over here. Hello, I'm the baby penguin. Let's slide together. Can you pretend to slide? Whoosh! Fantastic! Who's hiding inside this orange egg? Roar! I'm baby tiger. Can you make a tiny tiger roar? Roar! Excellent! What an amazing adventure! Today we met Baby Panda. You did an amazing job learning adventure. I'll buy little